Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivomove HR tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove or add widgets to your Vivomove HR. So widgets are going to be anything that you see when you swipe right or left from the main screen, so such as the heart rate, stress, notifications, weather, anything like that, even music controls, calories, all that kind of stuff. Those are all going to be widgets. Now you can't change the order of the widgets on the Garmin Vivo Active Move, but you can remove or add them. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is get our phone and actually open up the Garmin Connect app right here. Once we're in the Garmin Connect app, we're just going to select the three little lines in the top left, go all the way to the bottom, and select Garmin Devices. Select the Vivomove HR, and then once you're in here, you're going to select Device Settings. From Device Settings, we'll select Display Options, and then in Display Options, we're going to select Visible Widgets. So really what this is a list of the widgets that are available on the watch, and we can remove them or turn them on by simply toggling this little blue box to the right of them. So if I turn that off, it'll no longer show up. So as you saw before, I had weather and music controls, so I'm just going to remove those real quick. And then as you can see, you can scroll down, you can see all the other widgets there. And then to get it to actually update on the watch, we just need to back up using the back button in the top left. So you get all the way here and then select Sync Now. So once the sync is performed, it'll update on the watch and remove those widgets. And as you see, I will no longer have weather and I'll no longer have music controls, which were between calories and notifications. So that's how you add or remove widgets on the Garmin Vivomove HR. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivomove HR tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.